Here I just wanted to show a quick video of another restored Princess phone I just finished. This is for one of my subscribers, and I just wanted to show it working before I get it packed up. So this, you can see the dial light is fully working. This is night light mode. If you flip the switch in the back, it engages or disengages night light mode. And then when you raise the handset, it'll turn on the dial light. And just to verify that the rotary dial is completely working, you can tell that the clicking sounds you're hearing in the background are from my dial intercom, which accepts rotary dialing. So you can tell that it is fully functioning.